Welcome to the Open eBooks tutorial. Open eBooks is an application that is used on mobile devices such as cell phones and tablets. You cannot use this on a desktop or laptop. On my iPad, I'm going to open the Open eBooks application. I'm going to sign in with Clever as my son since he is a student and has access to all of the books. Once I am logged in, I will see all the books that he has available to him at his grade level. He is in high school, so his book list will look a little bit different than that of a first grader. Look at all of these books to choose from. Tons and tons and tons of books that are free. At the bottom, you will notice there is a catalog, my books, and more about the account. To get books into the My Books category, I simply have to click on the book. I'm going to choose Call of the Wild. It is downloading right now to my iPad, and now I have access to it. It will open up like a PDF. Notice that I can click on the book again in the library, and I have the option of reading it or returning it, just like I would if I was checking it out of the library. Thank you for watching.